Hearties, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm getting myself ready. I put on this top, but it looks like I'm popping out of this top. I used to be small before, and now I don't know. My clothes are not fitting me right anymore. But anyways, don't mind the shirt. I am taking out the twist. Seeing how it turned out.
All these feels closing in and we can barely breathe. At the time we have is bittersweet, but you mean the world to me.
I'm so scared to like separate it because I don't even know. And my hair took such a long time to dry. Even right now, it's dry for the most part, but I still feel like in the middle. Let me see. Yeah, it's dry, but in the middle took forever to dry. So I'm doing this real quick.
Fireplace. We go deep, but the farther in we won't survive. You'll be broken long before you cry. I know, but we can't let this go. We both see what we love is not a paradise, and it's savage. We won't let you die, but you bring my heart alive, alive, alive. We'll fall, but no one competes with you and me. I would risk it all.
But it's looking good. It's still feeling soft and nice. My curls are not popping like Daniela's curls, but nonetheless, I'll take what I get. I'll take the moisturized hair. Yeah, a little something. But I know my hair type. I can't possibly, I can't expect that from my hair type. So this is what I expected. And my hair is very, very soft, which is great. So I am going to be, okay, so I put on these earrings and I was like, okay, I might as well just leave my hair like this. So I think I'm just going to rock it like this. And then probably tomorrow I could do like a low ponytail. So I'm just going to lay my edges and yeah.
Can't help but want you. Can't help what I know. Crash one day. Crash one day. Together. It's love by fireplace. Really burning alive. I bring the fire. You bring the fire and pain. Are we burning alive? We be burning alive.
This is the result I got from the Twisting Butter. I must say my hair is very soft. My curls are not like super defined, but this is my hair type, so this is kind of what I expect. Some of them, you could see what it did. So it looks nice with my big hoop earrings. So I'm just going to be rocking it like this tonight. Yeah, so yeah. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this review on the Camille Rose Natural Twisting Butter. I really like how my hair turned out. It's nice and soft. It's exactly what I expected. It's not much of a difference from other products that I use. I kind of get the same results for everything, but it's nice. I have it and I have to use it, so because I paid my money for it, and that was a pretty penny, so I like it. So I'm gonna be using it. I have some other products from them that I have to try, and I'm going to try it out in different methods, but this is the first method that I chose to try in. You know, wash my hair and then just put the product and then twist it. That's the first way, and then I'm going to try the other way where I try it on like my dry hair and see if it does anything. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye.
Both see what we love is not a paradise, and it's savage, we won't let it die. But you